How's it going, everyone? I'm back with another Agix or Singularity Net video for you guys. Hope you guys tuned in into yesterday. I was the very first one, so thank you guys for the support on the channel, and for the new faces joining in. I will continue to do more Agix videos, but if I'm not able to, it's just simply because there's too many coins to cover now on the YouTube channel. I've added a whole bunch like Injective, Singularity Net, as I can't even think that's how many there are. But if I'm not able to do so, join that Discord community. You can just join, or you can see if you qualify for 3 months free in there if you take action on the education, which is the course or the one-to-one mentorship plan to make you a self-sufficient trader. You'll get 3 months free into there, and we do cover a whole bunch of cryptos, about 20-30 that we are invested in. So we got a section for investment. There's about 95% of the people in there. There's about 90 people, and 95% of them are past students taught by me. There's about 5% that are just the public like you guys. And again, if I'm not able to make these video updates for you guys, you can just chart a request at any moment in time in there, and I'm there to help you guys out on your journey to becoming self-sufficient traders, whether you do the education or are just part of that community, as well as we do those weekly group mentorship calls. So what we're seeing right now, why did we get this pump over here? Well, we've got some bullish patterns formations, but that came after the signal that we see on this indicator that I teach about in the mentorship plan. So over here we're getting these higher lows, but we're getting a disagreement in the chart. So this is something that we call bullish divergence, where we're seeing lower lows on the chart, so expecting this downtrend to continue, and then we get a random pump to the upside. Is because this indicator is in disagreement and is showing that, yeah, these clouds are rising essentially, so higher lows. And if we now get rid of this, we can see that price did pump into this key level resistance. Again, this is what's telling us what the immediate trend is. While we are beneath it, the expectation is to continue lower, but if any point in time we deviate, which would be a pump above, we can see that right there. So we're no longer following this downward trajectory, just in between these two levels. So basically break above this, we head into there, break above this, we're going to the 200 EMA at about 188 or 189 cent, so 18.8 cent or 18.9 cent for AGIX. So we could be getting this continuation over here because of this bullish divergence, as well as this inverse head and shoulders pattern over here. So this would be the head. So this is like your true support, I would essentially say, because the head is usually a fake out. This was your resistance neckline, this is your support. So we broke down, we lost it, should have been resistance over here to continue, or even if you get up into there, continue lower. We were held up by this level of support and then broke out, confirming this 20 EMA support over here with the last few 4-hour candles. So we're just looking for price to continue up if it can finally close a 4-hour candle above that 55. Otherwise, there's still a risk of coming back down. But I think the most recent candles are quite positive. You could be getting 3 bullish hammers in a row, so we could be coming up until this point. I wouldn't get excited beyond that, as this is controlling the trend itself. You can see while we are underneath this white line, you can see even if we climb above the moving averages, which would be these, you can see price gets up into there and eventually gets rejected. So this could still be the case. Please do understand that. So I will be here to further update you guys, but the expectation now is that if you've been following along with my Bitcoin updates, which I urge you all to start your day off with, I do tend to get that out as the first video of the day. And then if we know that Bitcoin is going up or down, then we know the altcoins are going to follow. So start your day off with that Bitcoin update that I do bring out. Of course, turn on the notification bell on. You will have to be subscribed for that, and then you just watch that video first, and whenever the other altcoin videos that you do follow along with do in the next hours later, you can actually just compare, contrast that Bitcoin analysis with the new altcoin analysis, and then come up to your own conclusion. But yeah, everything should be in the video for you guys to understand. If you're not yet understanding, and that there are opportunities there, this is why you need to do that education, or at least get in that community where I can group mentorship you guys weekly. But yeah, so the expectation is a pump up into here, and that would still be resistance. So maybe come back down to these key levels of support. Can we have another go at it, or will we just fall through? That would be the next step. But for now, in the immediate short term, we're expecting price to come up into here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, and share this video update if you can, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.